If you invest the way people gamble in casinos, you're not going to do very well. It's the long-term investment that works best. But if you like the action of investing, sometimes winning, sometimes losing, just like people like the action when they gamble in a casino, those people are not my people. I like the long-term investors who figure out something that's going to work over the long term and buy that. The world is full of foolish gamblers, and they will not do as well as the patient investors. Well, I think it can be learned to some extent, and to some extent you're born with it. There's a saying in America they call a long attention span. They can keep their mind on a game or an activity for a long time until they've solved it, and that is a hugely desirable quality because you're more likely to get the right answer if you think deeply and hard about a subject for a long time. And it's odd that a group of people who are so good at having a long attention span like to gamble so much, which is quite counterproductive. A lot of people think there is such a thing as truth in the markets, that the market is going to tell you something just by bouncing around. That is not the way Berkshire Hathaway or Charlie Munger invests money. We have a view as to what the intrinsic value is of what is being traded, and we only buy it when we think it's worth more than we're paying. So we're trying to make a long-term investment by waiting for something to be underpriced and then buying it. And we don't give a damn about all these gamblers in the market. To me, they're just so much froth. It's a foolish way to spend your time if you want to get rich. My Berkshire Hathaway stock cost me $16 a share, and it's now selling for almost $300,000 a share. That's been a very good investment. It took a long time, and it was a long-term investment where I liked the people I was investing with, and I liked the companies I was investing in, and I just sat there for more than 50 years, and lo and behold, it's worked out very well. There are lots of stories like that. Basically, the Mungers have three stocks, so to speak. We've got Berkshire, we've got Costco, and we have an investment in Lilu's partnership. Three things. I'm well along in my 95th year. China has a deep Confucian ethos. They want people to act modestly even though they're rich and powerful. They want people to constantly keep learning and to behave with dignity and reason and improve as they get old and keep working. Well, those lessons are not confined to one country. But it just happens that Warren Buffett and I act like a bunch of people that take Confucianism very seriously. That's why they like us. People, they know I like books, so people give me so many books that I either skim or read through 20 books a week. No, I get lots of books. I read a lot of biography and some history. I read almost no fiction.